Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video is about the skin and its function. So watch this video till end to clear your concept about skin, layers of skin, and in this video I will also explain almost 10 to 15 functions of skin. So don't miss this video till end to uh, discuss skin, its layers, and all its functions. First of all, I start from skin. Skin is the largest function of body that covers our body. Okay, here you have to learn one point, that's uh, what is the largest organ of body. The largest organ of human body is skin. Okay, this is important point, and always keep it in your mind. Next, if we see the layers of skin, so skin has two layers. One is the outer layer and second one is the inner layer. The outer layer of skin is called epidermis, while the inner part of skin is known as dermis. Now we come to the functions of skin. The first basic function of skin is protection, because skin covers our body, so it protects our body from the entry of different pathogens in our body that may produce different diseases in our body. So skin plays its role as a vital organ in the process of protection of body. Okay, in the process of protection, it also produces some chemicals like sebum. Okay, this sebum also uh, helps in the process of protection, because it kills the pathogens that try to enter into our body. Next function of skin is the thermoregulation. So in both extremes, when the external environmental temperature is more than our body temperature, or external environmental temperature is less than our normal body temperature, in both of these extremes, skin plays its vital role to thermoregulate the temperature of body. Like when there is high temperature in our external environment, so what is done by the skin? Skin contains sweat glands, so sweat glands open and produce sweat. Okay, by the uh, perspiration of sweat, cooling is produced that normalizes our body temperature from external environment, whether its temperature is how much degrees greater than our normal body temperature. It doesn't matter, okay, whether body normal sorry, external temperature is uh, 45 or 50 degrees Celsius, so our body temperature will be 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, it will neither decrease neither increase. Okay, because sweat glands will normalize that 45 degrees Celsius over 50 degrees Celsius to the 37 degrees Celsius by the process of perspiration. Secondly, you know dermis contains layers of fats, so fats act as insulator, and when external environmental temperature is less than 37 degrees Celsius, so our skin, the fat present in our skin acts as insulator and protects us from cold temperature, the lower extreme. Okay, now next function of skin is sensation. Skin contains various receptors, and receptors are those structures that detect any change in our environment, means that detect change in uh, uh, external environment, means stimuli detection. So skin contains receptors, and that's why any change in environment is also detected by skin. Like it contains nociceptors that sense pain. Okay, it also contains chemoreceptors that uh, sense chemicals, and thermoreceptors sense heatness and coldness. Next function is excretions. So in previous parts we also discussed that skin excretes sweat as well as sebum. Sweat excretes out water as well as the waste materials, especially salts, out of our body, and sebum is also an excretion, but it is helpful for the process of protection. Okay, so skin also plays its role in process of excretion though. Another function of skin is vitamin D production. How it produces vitamin D? When any person sits under sun, so uh, skin when exposed to sunlight produces vitamin D, and vitamin D is necessary for our bones, and if there is deficiency of vitamin D, it may lead to rickets, means our bones may become soft and go under pressure. Especially rickets is disease for uh, children. Okay, so vitamin D is produced by skin when it is exposed to sunlight. Next is the immunity. Skin is actually the first line of defense because it stops the direct entry of pathogens into our body. So it protects our body, detects that whether these microorganisms are beneficial for our body or not, and stops the pathogens out of the body. That's why it acts as a barrier, and so it's first line of defense in the in immunity of our body. Okay, next function is social effect of skin. Skin also has great social effect, like skin is a cause of attraction of people. Like if our skin is dirty, so people will not like us, or if our skin is fine, so of course when someone will see us, he will impressed. Okay, no. Next is the absorption, means in social effect of skin. Another part is necessary to be discussed, that if there is no skin, our body seems to be abnormal. So skin is actually the cause of beauty of our body. Okay, so beauty of our whole body is as a result of our skin. Okay, if we have normal skin, we are beautiful. Okay, and if our skin is not normal one, so we are not beautiful, and it's abnormal one. Like beauty doesn't means that our skin color is white or black, but beauty means our skin is okay, it is not damaged one. Okay, no. How uh, skin acts as an organ of absorption? No, we discuss it. Skin actually contains various pores through which gases may diffuse into our body, as well as the moisture is also captured that is required for our body. So skin is useful organ for the absorption of different moisture products as well as the gases into our body. Next is the insulation. Skin contains fats, so skin acts as insulator, and it insulates our body from both of the extremes, like from the higher extreme temperature, mean greater than 37 degrees Celsius, as well as lower extreme, means less than 37 degrees Celsius temperature. No. How skin acts as an organ of osmo regulation. So skin regulates the concentration of water as well as the salts in our body. Okay, that's why it acts as osmoregulatory organ. No. The next function is facial expression. Facial expression of our face are actually produced are actually expressed by the movement of skin. So movement of skin is also important one, especially when we discuss the skin of our face, because it produces what facial expressions, like when we are feeling bad, we are feeling sorrow, we are feeling happy. Okay, it can be seen from our facial expressions, and these facial expressions are as a result of movement of the skin of our face. Okay, so this was all about skin, layers of skin, and different functions of skin. Inshallah, I will see you in next lecture. And only one request, that if you have not subscribed TV, so you should subscribe it and press bell icon to get uh, different lectures on medical as well as other topics. Thank you so much.